Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Peelverine from Fortnite. Let's get in there at the top and start by popping a little dot right there. This is the top of Peelverine's peely head, so it's like the very top of the banana area, and it's basically a hexagon. So 2 lines diagonally down like that, and then we'll just do 2 straight lines like that. Okay, next up we'll just pop another dot there, and we'll just join those up there. A little bit of kind of detail, just a couple of lines sort of down like that, just to give an idea that it's the top stalk part of the banana. Okay, now we've got that in. Let's do a line from this point, this corner here. Just do a curved line down like that. And then from the top point here, just a bit lower back there, we're just going to do a line kind of down like that. Okay, just a bit higher than that one there. This means now we can put Peely's mask in, so get that Wolverine mask. And what I'm going to do is do like a little curve here and a little curve there, just to kind of show the middle of it. And then from that we can work it out. Okay, so the top is about this point on this right hand side, so I'm just going to curve that up to about there. And on this side probably comes to about, say, here. Yeah, curve it around and just meet that point. Okay, now we can curve ourselves down like this. Comes down a bit more, up, and then straight across, or meet it up like a bit of a right angle. Same thing here. We can just bring it down like this. Meets about there. Bring it up and across along there. Just join that up. Join up that little gap as well. Now we can pop the eyes in. So diagonal line there, diagonal line there. And then we'll just curve around and meet up. So curve like that, a curve like that. So they meet up, get those famous Wolverine eyes in. Okay, little point sort of here and here. So this is where the neck area will be. And what we can do there is we can just come out ever so slightly, and this side come out, and then do basically a straight line here and a straight line there. Okay, these are the shoulder pad area of Peelverine. Just do a little curve and then just line that up there. Same thing here, line and then do a little curve and meet it up. There's those shoulder pads in already. Okay, next up let's do the torso. So I'm going to basically sort of follow that convention of the banana, bring it down, sort of taper it in a bit. This side as well, kind of almost like a straight line down to about there. Okay, now we've got those areas in, what we can do is the belt here. I'm just going to do a circle like so. Okay, 2 little rectangles either side of it, so just going to pop those in, and then we're just going to meet that up with a belt area, a little curved area there and there. All right, let's do this middle area now. We'll make it make more sense, I think. So there's a curve from about here, this kind of comes around here. Same thing here, there's a curve that kind of comes around to about there. Line down here, diagonal out either side, and then straight down to this point here, straight down to this point here. Okay, there's a couple of like the Wolverine kind of claw marks here, so I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3 on that side, and then 1, 2, 3 on that side. Now I've got that in, I can just pop his mouth in. So actually what I might do first of all is just join this up here, that area, just draw that little kind of tape of it there, gives us space for the mouth. It's got a little sort of angry Wolverine mouth, so I'm just gonna sort of just a bit more pressure on this side, and then just a couple of lines, and bring it in there. Just kind of shows a little bit angry at the moment. All right, let's do the underside of the banana now. So it kind of just, actually from this point here, there's a little bit of a taper out like that and up, and this side do the same, out and up. Now I can work out the center here, so just draw a line in there, kind of just meet it up either side there. All right. Now I've got that bit in, I can pop the legs in. So he's got his peely legs, so they're always quite sort of thin. So I'm just gonna do a line down that curve there, the outer part here, draw it to there. It's almost like a little diamond shape where his knees are. So I'll pop that in, sort of like almost like the top part here. This side, do the same sort of thing. So draw it out to here, almost like a little diamond area there where the knee is. This then tapers out with the lower part of the leg, like that, okay? His stance is he's standing out here a bit, okay? Then I can do those Wolverine boots, so I'm just gonna put a point either side of that, okay? From that point, I'm gonna bring it up, down, bring it up, down, like a little sort of V shape or arrow. Same here, bring it up, down, bring it up, down like that. And from this point, I can do a straight line kind of down here, and a straight line sort of here. And then from that, I can work out like this right-hand side of the leg. I can just bring that along from the top, sort of taper into that line we just made. Same on the other side, taper it in there. If I'm going a bit fast, just hit pause, catch up, it's all good, all right? Next up, let's just do the front of the boot. So that kind of heel is about there, and the boot kind of comes around like this, and up, and join it, okay? And that line now, we can just continue from the bottom, meet it up there. It's quite like a thick little chunky sole on the boot, so I'm just gonna draw an extra bit of line there, okay? This side, it's more sort of standing with the foot out here, so I'm gonna bring the line in here and bring out where the boot would be, down, bring it around, where the heel would be here, just bring that up, and then we'll just join up there. Again, chunky sole, so we'll just pop that in like that, and join that line up to that toe area, so it goes a bit more over to that side as his foot's over this way. Okay, let's look at the arms. So Peely's arms actually quite big on this one, like Wolverine arms. So it's going to do 2 lines out like that, and 2 lines out here. The forearm sort of fold in the center is about there, so just pop 2 little lines in, bring it back out ever so slightly on either side. Okay, and now we can just do a curved line around there. And this is where the glove is. So then where the glove is tapers down the forearm like that, and then we can just draw his hand in here. So just going to draw a thumb like that around here, and this side really easy, just go straight down and draw a curve like that. This side, similar sort of thing. We're going to bring it down there for the forearm and the outer part, bring it down, sort of taper it in, and again just going to bring it like a thumb area in like that. And then nice and easy for ourselves, just bring it down around, join up where the thumb area would be. Okay, let's pop some claws in. So it's got the, just move those pens a minute, it's got those 3 sort of claws going on there, which is sort of banana-y on this Peelverine. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 on that side. And then this side, sort of coming from here, we're gonna do like 1, behind it 2, and then behind that 3, like that. Okay, that's cool. A little bit of detail now, so just going to do a little line up here, just a little line sort of show the, yeah, like that, just where the banana area is. A little bit of marking I think on his jacket and his belt, so maybe just almost like a little bit of piping either side of that. And then I think as well, just where the glove kind of goes around, there's extra bit of piping there too. These kind of taper out, these lines we've drawn, so they can just draw it out from there, just thicken that black line on the side of that. And then we can just fill in, think, we just might as well just colour this area here in black. It shows off that Wolverine mask. That's cool, and this side here. Nice, yeah, it's nice, just adds out a little bit of sort of shading. It was quite nice to do really. And on this side, on the shoulder pads, just going to do these black, colour that in. And this side here, let's just colour that in black. Now I've got those in, just going to start to accentuate that collar. So just bring it around like that, either side of there. Yeah, that's better. And then we've got the X here, so I'm just going to go around the circle we made, just thicken it up. Yeah, that's a lot thicker, this bit for the X-Men. And then just a line across diagonal here, and then the same other side there. Okay, I think he's got a bit of sort of little lines in here, just sort of draw those in like that. And then what I can do then is just put a bit of sort of rubbly desert ground behind him, like that. Okay, now we've got that in. Let's have the next part. Let's start colouring him in. So let's get a nice yellow, banana yellow we all know from Peely. Just start sort of filling in this yellowy area here. Classic Peely and Wolverine colours. So I'm just going to just fill in around here. We'll just leave a little bit on the edge there, just a little bit of white. Bring that around there, sort of on the arm here. Colour that in. The central point here, these 2 points in here, they're yellow, and then the main part of this body here, so just colour that in. Nice, okay. And on this side, maybe just leave a little bit of white on this side where the light is hitting it. Just sort of fill in the middle area there. And then on the legs, we'll just fill in here. Sort of the lighter areas around here. Sort of here. And this side here, sort of again, we'll just leave a little bit of light. That left-hand side just really adds to the sort of shading aspects of our character. Okay, now we've got those bits in. Let's get ourselves this sort of deeper yellowy orange colour. What we can do is just really add in just a little bit of sort of shading and shadow, blend it in a bit. Around here, maybe there's a bit around here too. And then with the arms, I think like where the shadow would be here, just pop it in there. Pop it in this side. And then where we've left it in the centre there, where the shadow would be on the leg, in here. At this point. Okay, that's looking good. Nice, okay, we've got that really sort of signature colour now. Let's get ourselves a lighter blue first of all. And we're just going to do the glove areas. So just fill this in with this nice sort of vibrant blue. Around there. And the other glove, just fill the other one in. Just like that. And then clothing here, so just fill in these areas. And straight through down to here. And then the boots as well now, so just have a little bit of sort of light flicking off it there. And this side, maybe a bit of light sort of flicking off the toe area there at the bottom. Just on the side there. Fill that in there, then do the other side of the jacket area that Wolverine has here. So just fill those areas in. If you do like what you're seeing, please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to the channel. Appreciate all the comments you've given me about who to draw next. It's always really helpful. Right, pop those bits in. Now what we can do is get the darker blue, and we can just start adding a little bit more sort of contrast now. So I'm just going to go around here, around these areas, sort of deeper coloured jacket I think, whereas the belt is maybe a bit lighter. So I'll just go around here, maybe the edge of the jacket is a bit lighter too, so just helps sort of build our picture up. Let's go around this side, sort of bring it around to about there, fill in the jacket area, and the bottom area there. And we just fill in sort of this area. So it's more shaded on the boots. And I think sort of on the gloves, we can just come around here, maybe this point, a bit more there, around here. That's it, that's cool. Okay, just a little tad on there and there as well. Cool, okay, let's get ourselves a lighter brown colour. What I'll do is just sort of fill in the sort of stalk area here, maybe just in these little Wolverine marks here, and these claws are a bit more sort of banana-y as well, so just a little hint that they're not steel but they're more like banana in there. These points in the knee as well, and then I'll just get a darker brown and then just go around the edges of there, and then maybe more sort of shaded around here, and then the top part up here too, so just sort of fill in just around here. There we go, that's cool. And then lastly, what we'll do is get ourselves a nice red and just fill in that X-Men sign, the logo he's got on the belt there. Nice pop of red, sort of helps our picture, I think, there. Just go back to that sort of lighter colour of brown and just put that behind him, so it's almost like a bit of desert area. And there we go, I think that's about it, yeah? There we are. So, okay, take that away. And that is Peelverine on Art Draw. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and we'll see you again.